guys, this is the Don with Overlanding Anglers, and welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. Needed to tell you really quickly, the Overlanding Anglers are headed to More Expo next month, April 8th through the 11th at Springfield, Missouri. We're going to be at More Expo. The War Machine's actually going to be featured at the Wander Offroad Outfitters Booth, but also really cool thing here, guys. I just got a package in the mail for Midland Radio Company. All right, I reached out to these guys. They sent me this. So let's see what's in the box. All right, I reached out to Midland and told them that I was interested in doing an install video on one of their radios, and they just sent me this awesome box of stuff. So let's go through it. And the thing that's right on top is this sweet t-shirt. Look at that. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but you can never have enough t-shirts. It kind of feels wrong not to be wearing it. In fact, that was easy. All right, guys, next thing in the box. I don't know about you, but I'm a nerd for patches and I collect them. Sweet Midland patch. I am really excited to get this up there, and I have the perfect spot for it to go in. Now, here is the coup de grace, and this is what is going to be so much fun, guys. Look at this. A Midland radio, MXT 275. Guys, this is awesome. I'm really excited to get this thing mounted, and we are going to install this at More Expo on Sunday, April the 11th at 11 o'clock. Our boys, Wander Offroad Outfitters, they are going to go ahead and install this for us in the booth live, so you can see how easy this is. Now, this kit, guys, comes with everything that you could need. We've got the radio and the handset itself. We've got some cables. I'm guessing this is going to be for the antenna, but I don't know. A nice mounting bracket for the antenna. The antenna itself. Look how small that is, guys. Now, not only are we going to do an install on this radio system, but on the way back from More Expo, we're going to take Highway 66 from Springfield, Missouri, all the way back to Oklahoma City. And that is actually going to end up being an Exploring Oklahoma episode. But in that time, we're going to do a product review on this radio and a range test. So let's see how far these radios can talk to each other under different kinds of ground conditions. Nice flat open ground, and then we'll go through some hills and see how far we can talk to people. But guys, big shout out to Midland Radio. Thank you so much for this box, guys. I can't wait to meet you next month at More Expo, and I cannot wait to get this thing installed and start testing it. But until then, guys, get your tickets to More Expo. Come out and see us. Bye.